welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Columbus, Ohio, heading over to Pennsylvania, of course. This load that we have on a trailer was picked up in Edgerton, Kansas yesterday. A load of Twinkies, something, I don't know, cupcakes, some stuff from Hostess. And we are taking it to Pennsylvania, of course. Should be there sometimes today. 400 miles exactly left to our delivery address from this point. Ohio had a really rough patch for about maybe 10 miles before you get to Columbus on the eastbound side on Interstate 70. It was really bad. And guess what they did? They didn't patch it like some of these other states, you know, or like put up a sign like some of these other states saying rough road next 10 miles, you know, or like in Kentucky says rough road, all trucks use left lane. I'm like, come on, man. That, or it might be, I think it's Kentucky down on 24. What Ohio did, they tore everything up. They tore the whole road up. It was 3 lanes through there. They tore it up and they're laying down new asphalt, new whatever. It's either asphalt or concrete. I don't know what it's gonna be, but that's how it should be done, man. Really. But most of these other states, they don't give a damn. Like, I was bouncing up and down in Indiana last night so freaking bad, man, it's not even funny. And I'm not the only one. Like, I can see the trailers, you know, in front of me from other trucks bouncing like, you know, 5 feet in freaking air. Well, that's not true. I mean, that's an exaggeration, but you know what I mean, man. It's like very freaking bad. We are in Zanesville, Ohio, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like these people haven't done anything here in about a year. So it's been like a year since we all came this way on this road, and it seems like nothing has been done, unfortunately. Oh well, what can we do, man? Straight ahead, Wheeling, West Virginia. This road right here is Interstate 470. And this moron. Not the cop, but there's the moron over here on my left. Anyway, 470 right here. We could have gone on Interstate 70 straight through Wheeling, but there's a way station there and it's open. So what kind of fool wants to do that? Okay, looks like we're coming to a stop. 4 ways on. Hopefully nobody slams into the back of us. Ohio River right down here below us. Welcome to West Virginia. Wild and wonderful. All right. They are doing some bridge repairs here. to here in West Virginia. That is. And many more in Pennsylvania. Alrighty, we are in Pennsylvania. Usually this rest area right here also doubles up as a revenue collecting center, but today they are not here. So very freaking nice. Charlie Roy is the name of this place apparently. I never knew that. And I came here like hundreds and hundreds of times. Charlie Roy. Very weird name. But hey, kind of like it, to be honest with you. Well, now it's Bell Vernon. Bell Vernon, Pennsylvania. Alright. I know Bell Vernon. I used to sleep over here at this Walmart all the time. A lot of times, until one morning, I was getting ready to take off, and a minivan pulls up in front of me and blocks me. How the fuck does this guy want? I grab my knife. He walks up to me. He's like, very weird fucking guy, man. I thought I was gonna get shot. I really did. I was like, oh my god, this guy hates truck drivers. He's gonna freaking shoot my ass. This was a long time ago, like 15 years ago, maybe even longer. He walks up to me and he's like, he wants to talk about religion. I was like, motherfucker, do I look like I'm in a freaking mood, bruh? Hell no! Get the hell out of my way, man. I gotta get to freaking New Jersey. Stupid asshole. New Stanton, Pennsylvania. About to get on the toll road over here. It is what it is, man. I think that's gonna be about $100. But hey, what can you do? Could have went up on 80, you know, then came down some other way, but I'm like, nah, it's too much hassle, man. Too many extra miles. There's no more toll workers, no more, what is it? No more tickets for you to get, no more toll to pay in cash or something. You just go and they bill you by the plate. Long time ago, I was right here, this exact same spot. There's a young lady over here walking on the right-hand side, right here on the shoulder, hitchhiking. She even has her shirt pulled up. I mean, made into like a bra or something. I was like, oh my god, bro, I better stop and pick this bitch up. It was a long time ago when I just started driving. I was driving purple Volvo for my cousin. Stupid freaking asshole. I was like, you know, I'm just gonna come up here and pull over right over here to the right so so that I can let everybody else pass. You know, pick her up and take her wherever she needs to be taken. So I'm like, okay. So I pull over right over here on the right after this guardrail, and I'm waiting for this bitch. And right before she's about to get to my truck over here behind, you know, to my trailer, another asshole stops and picks her up. I was like, motherfucker. Oh well, it is what it is. I don't know what happened. I don't know what her story is. Probably got kicked out by a boyfriend, husband, you know, because didn't fix him a proper sandwich that morning. No, I'm just kidding. Come on, man. Come on, bruh. Learn how to make a freaking sandwich, lady. And you're not gonna be walking. Oh man. Oh, I wonder what happened here. Oh, possibly a semi-truck got fire. Or a fuel leak. Looks like a fuel leak. I don't know.
There are police reported ahead.
Yes, ma'am. We just saw them. Thank you. You're a little bit late to the party. But thanks anyway. To the top of this freaking hill. It's not very big, but it's very long. It's not very tall, but it's very long. Does that make any sense? Maybe not. Probably not. Might never make any sense, man. Alright. Laurel Highlands hiking trail right above us. You freaking go, man. We are in Somerset, Pennsylvania, ladies and gentlemen. Right here at this service plaza, of course. We're gonna go in here, get a Starbucks, get a coffee. It's not too hot today. I don't like drinking coffee during the summer days. Like, I don't know. Hot coffee, hot day. No, sir. Give me a cold drink, cold water, something, cold Pepsi. All right. No, they don't have Starbucks. They have stupid Dunkin', I think. Yeah. I guess we'll get that. Try it out. You never know, it might be good. That's all they have. Thank you. Well, I took a sip of it, and I think we wasted $3.59 with tax. Because to be honest with you, coffee kind of sucks. But it is what it is, man. There's no coffee like Starbucks. Yeah, we're gonna sit here, eat one of these thingies from yesterday, and drink our coffee. I was gonna eat it in the truck, but then I'm like, nah, there's some tables up there. Let's go eat it. And you know, I had to bring my own spoon to eat that stuff. I do have some of those plastic spoons, but I'm like, man, this is like a baby spoon. I don't want to sit here and eat this thing for like 3 freaking days. You get a bigger spoon so I can get, you know, take bigger bites, bruh. All right, let's get the hell out of here. That food, I don't know, man. It's okay when it's warm, but when it's fresh, I should say. But keeping it in a fridge and then eating it cold, it's just not it. Shouldn't have done it. But, oh well. All right, let's get going. 164 miles left. One thing I can guarantee you for certain is that you will never see me drink that shit again. Well, you're gonna see me throughout the day drinking it, maybe. Because I paid for it. $3.59 with tax. But yeah, no sir. It's just like water pretty much with a little taste of coffee. That's it. So, really sucks, man. What a shame. All right, here comes our first tunnel. 3 more tunnels on this road right here. Okay, you see South Midway Service Plaza here in 10 miles. They have Starbucks, but I'm not gonna stop there. I already wasted my coffee budget for the day. So it is what it is. Yeah, I'm not gonna drink the rest of this stuff. I wanted to toss it out the window, but I know I don't want to litter, you know, and I don't want to spill the coffee because it'll go over here on the side of my truck and a trailer, but we'll just spill it whenever we stop over there at our delivery. But yeah, we're gonna go in to our delivery right now. I mean, not right now, in a couple hours. Try to deliver this early, you know. I seriously doubt that they will take it, but you never know until you try. He was in probably in the left lane inside the tunnel. You cannot do that, buddy. That's a big no-no. We are in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, ladies and gentlemen. Another service plaza. That's where you belong, Duncan. In the trash. Oh, look at that spider. Is it a spider? No, it's some kind of bug. I'm not freaking touching it. I'm not killing it either. I thought about stomping it, but I'm like, nah, we don't want to do that. No reason to do that. I'm having a good day, little buddy. So it looks like you're gonna live to see one more day. Right there. It's black with some kind of white spots all over it. All right, let's go. Saskatchewan River, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Right here, just north of 3 Mile Island, which is looks like it's been demolished. Really, there used to be a nuclear reactor down here. Oh, there still is. Never mind. There still is. I don't know, I think back in like 70s or something, they had some kind of meltdown right here at the 3 Mile Island nuclear reactor, and it caused like a lot of panic, like people were, you know, evacuated, and like it was, I think it was,
use the right to...
it was during Jimmy Carter years. I think he was president at that time. All right, looks like we are arriving just in time, man. Looks like it's gonna rain very bad. I hope not.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Columbia Avenue.
Well, we have to make a very wide turn here. All right, we are here. Cooper Booth Wholesale. receiving straight ahead. They are open, but I guess we'll find out if they want to take it now or in the morning. Probably in the morning. All right, pulled up right to the gate over here. Use my phone, there's a number right there by the wrong way sign. I called him, very nice dude answered. He said they don't start receiving until like a few hours from now. And he said I can just curve it right there, park it so that their trucks can get in and out. And then we'll check back in at a later time and see if they want to take it. He didn't ask me about appointment time or anything, so let's hope he does not. Looks like it's gonna start to rain. It's very freaking windy here, as you can tell by this tree. But yeah, man, let's turn Miss Jenny on and let's go edit some videos. This cover from Harbor Freight, it's not very good. It's already starting to tear from the outside, but hey, it's better than nothing. It basically just kind of hides the thing so nobody tries to steal it whenever I'm home. But I think it'll be okay. Let's put some go-go juice in Miss Jenny and turn her on. All right, Miss Jenny is full and she can run like this for 2 days, man. So hell freaking yeah, buddy. Even if they say no, come back tomorrow morning for your appointment time, I'll be able to. I saw a couple of spots where I can shut it down for tonight, like a few miles away from here, so not too bad, man. Not too freaking bad. I want to see if I can get it off tonight, because I don't want to mess with it tomorrow. Because from reviews, but like I say, you can never trust those. People are saying that they've been stuck here forever. So. All right. All right. Yeah, unfortunately, it's a no-go. We're gonna have to come back in the morning for our appointment time. But you know, it's all right. I'm not mad. I'm mad at myself because I came here. I should have went to a truck stop. There's a truck stop like 1.5 miles away from here, and I know 100% that I would find a place there at the time that I arrived here. But right now, I seriously doubt it. But we'll go try either way, and then if we can't find it, we'll just come back to this. There's a business just down the road from here that I saw on my way here. It looks like we can shut it there for the night. All right, we're going to shut it down right here on the side at this truck stop and call it good. Right there. Oh yeah, buddy. If they don't have spots available, make your own damn spot, buddy. Maybe we can eat something, huh? What you guys think? Really steak taco. Sorry for making it so complicated.
No, you're fine. Have a good night.
You too. Alright, so looks like today I'm gonna be very bad with food. So here's the shake. Didn't get my ice cream, but I got the shake. And then I got this burger, man. Check it out. It's hot pastrami burger. It's got a hamburger in it, hamburger patty, and pastrami. All right. Also, Man, I'm such a freaking pig. I got 2 of these tacos that are with, what is that? Oh man, I can't remember what kind of meat I put on it. Let's try this taco out. See if it's delicious. Oh hell yeah. What about a burger? Let's try a burger. This is good. Not bad at all, man. Alright, this food wasn't too bad, man. I ate half of that burger, I ate 1 taco, and I couldn't eat anymore, so I threw everything away. I had like half a milkshake, and I got a really bad brain freeze, and I'm done with this. But that food from Illinois, man, that's my second worst money investment probably ever. And the first worst money investment was when I paid for that, when I paid for full service from that lot blizzard and I couldn't perform. So it was a waste of money. Yes, sir. All right. You thought I was gonna say a Blue Beast is the first worst investment. Well, sure freaking is. Well, hello everyone. I think we are empty because I got a text message to pay for the lumper, but there's no amount in here. So let's go up here and ask how much it is. Oh, very nice lady there. That's how much the lumper is. $813, buddy. Holy freaking shit, man. Excuse me. Holy guacamole, brah. This is almost 20 years of driving. This is the highest lumper fee. I told her that and she said, really? Because they have had trucks that were like $1,500. Man. Oh, we're gonna have to call Uber Freight. They're not gonna be happy, but holy shit, man. All right, so I got in touch with them finally after waiting on a stupid phone for, let's see how long I waited. 15 minutes. It's not too terrible, but you get in touch with customer support and it's people from Colombia, the country. Not Columbia, Missouri or something like that. And he's like, well, since it's over $500, we're gonna have to send this to a account management team for approval or whatever. And you know, he said, please be patient and give them about 30 minutes to an hour. I was like, the fuck? Is there somebody I can talk to? You know, somebody in freaking America, motherfucker? And apparently not, so it is what it is. I'm not farting, that's just my seat, my leather seat, making noise. So I told him, I was like, 30 minutes to an hour, buddy. These guys, they want me to leave right now. Like, what's, you know, like, you know, they want me to go. They said I have to leave, I have to go, I have to leave the property. And he's like, okay, I will put that. Well, that's not the accent he had, but he said I will put that in the notes and you know, hope for the best. Guess we'll see, man. But anyway, I think we're gonna end this video here. So here in about 12 minutes, 13 minutes, Uber Freight office is gonna open down in Arkansas, and I have a number for the guy. We're gonna call him and try to get a lumper from him since these dumbasses are taking forever, but it is what it is, man. So we're gonna end the video here, and so I can go and edit some more of these videos for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. It is much appreciated. You guys stay safe out there, and hopefully I will see all you guys in the next one. Take her easy. All right, we are done here finally. It took them long enough. I waited for 1 hour, more than 1 hour, for no stupid freaking reason, man. It was still one of them Colombians that gave me the code at the end, because I could not reach anybody from the United States, and he could have done that at the beginning. But Uber Freight uses people from Colombia, and some of these other people, some of these other bigger brokers, they use people from India to handle their stuff like that. All right, well, that's gonna be it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming to Pennsylvania with me. It's much appreciated. So you guys stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next one. Let's go get this money, man. With a roar. All right.